Myanmar, Friday, March 28, 2025, afternoon. More than 140 people were killed and 732 injured in Myanmar after a 7.7 magnitude earthquake followed 12 minutes later by a 6.4 magnitude quake, with its epicenter near Mandalay, struck the country on Friday, March 28, 2025, afternoon. The quake also affected neighboring Thailand, with 9 people killed in the capital Bangkok, and the death toll could rise after a building under construction collapsed. Rescuers are searching for victims in the rubble of a skyscraper under construction that collapsed in the Chatuchak Park area, an official said.
What the fuck?
A worker said, "In my life, there has never been an earthquake like this in Bangkok. We saw the building start to move and everyone ran out of the gate when everything started shaking. I saw the building collapse in front of my eyes. All the workers and people around ran, because the collapse of the building made a cloud of dust, which blocked visibility. As far as I know, inside the building, there are still workers who have not had time to get out after the earthquake occurred," he concluded. Bangkok Deputy Governor Tavida Kamolvai said, of the confirmed casualties in the Thai capital, 8 people died in the building collapse, while a 9th person died at a different location and 16 people were injured, from 3 construction sites. Rescue operations at the building site said more than 100 people were missing. Myanmar's state-run MRTV declared a state of emergency in 6 regions and states, mainly Mandalay, Sagaing, and Naypyidaw. Most of the damage occurred in Mandalay, Myanmar's second-largest city, just about 17 kilometers 10 miles from the epicenter. Mandalay, a city of about 1.5 million people, was Myanmar's ancient royal capital and a center of Buddhism.
Mate, what's the fuck?
Oh my god!
Junta leader General Min Aung Hlaing said it was a great tragedy, there would be more deaths and casualties, and he invited any country to provide assistance and donations. He said on state television that he had opened the route for international aid. The number of dead and injured was expected to rise, the general said.
Qua bị ha